Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables, and in that class we discuss some important questions based on graph and simplify them. Now in today's class we also take and solve one very important questions, revise a very important question based on this topic and completed this chapter. Let's see a very important questions based on this topic. And the question is, draw the graphs of the following linear equations. Draw the graph of the following linear equation on the linear equation on the linear equations on the same graph paper. On the same graph paper, this is what 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1. Okay, find the coordinates of the also find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle vertices of the triangle formed by the two straight lines formed by the two straight lines and the y-axis also find the area of the triangle. Also find the area of the triangle. Now let's see its solution. Dear student, this is a very important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do let's see this question and we solve this question very carefully. Okay, now look here. First of all, this question, draw the graph of the following linear equations on the same graph. Also find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangles formed by the two straight lines and y-axis. Also find the area of the triangle. So first of all, given equations are this. Okay, so first of all we prepare the graph table for with the help of this equation. First of all we find two important points. Okay, now look, what is the method? You know that well. First of all we express y in terms of x. So 3y is equal to 12 minus x, y is equal to 12 minus x upon 3. Take equation 1. Okay, now what we prepare a tabulation in this way. This is x, this is y. Now we put x is equal to 3. Now if we put x is equal to 3, then we get y is equal to what? So 9, 12 minus 3, this is 9, 3 is the number. So we get y is equal to 3 also. Okay. Now if we put x is equal to y is equal to x is equal to 0, if we put x is equal to 0, then we get what? 3, 4 the 12, 4. We get the value of y is 4. Thus the required points are from this equation. Thus the required points are A, 0 4, 3 3 and B 0 comma 4. Okay, this is the concept. Now look, so in this way, with the help of first equations which is given in our questions, we find two important coordinates at A 3 3 and B 0 4. Now from equation 2, from equation 2 is what? X minus y is equal to 1. This is equation, second equation. Now first of all we express y in terms of x. Okay, look, so we can write y is equal to x minus 1. Take equation number 2. Now first of all we prepare a column of x and y, for x and y. Now look, if we put x is equal to 1, then we get y is equal to what? 0. Now clear, dear students? If we put x is equal to 1, then we get y is, sorry, 1 minus 1, that is y is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0, then we get y is equal to minus 1. Thus the required points are, thus the required points are C 1 0 and D 0 minus 1. Now, so in this variation, with the help of both the equation, first of all we find the required points. 2 points with the help of first equations and another 2 points with the help of second one. Okay. Now dear friends, we take and plot. First of all, now we prepare a graph, and on this graph we plot all these 4 points like A, B, C and D. Okay, now look. Now, oh, so just what the point? What is the points? We now we plot the points A 04, B 32 and C 10 and D 01 on the graph. Now look. Now we draw the graph. This is X O X dash, this is Y O Y dash. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Okay, and this is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 and plus 8, and this is what? Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 and minus 7. Now look, so these are the first of all we draw the mutual perpendicular line, which is called axis, which is x-axis and y-axis respectively. Now dear friends, we plot all these points on this graph paper. Now 0 1 0 4, abscissa 0 and ordinate 4 lies on y-axis, so 0 4 lies on this point. So A is what? 0 4 is that current position. Now B 3 2 3, abscissa 2. Now this is 3 2. Okay. Here the point B lies, which is 3 2. Now we joining these lines, we joining these points with the help of so a line passes through. This is what? This is the graph of the first line. This is the graph of, you know that the graph of the linear equation in two variables always represent a straight line. So here this is the graph of the first line. Now dear students, we plot the another 2 points 1 0 and 0 minus 1 1 0. One abscissa is 1 and ordinate is 0. So this is point C lies on that point. This is 1 and 0. Now 0 comma minus 1. Minus 1 is there. Minus 1 is there. Abscissa is 0, na? Ordinate minus 1 is that point, so 0 comma minus 1. So D point lies on this position, 0 minus 1. Now we joining these lines, these points with the help of the straight line. Look and extend. Okay. So look. So now this is the graph of the second equation of line. Now what we find? Let us take here. This is the point B, no? Now. So this is the point. So now first we find, and your question is what? Your question is what, dear student? Ki find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by the two straight lines with and the y-axis and the y-axis. Now look. So first points, this is what? 0 comma 4. The first point lies on this position, 0 comma 4. Second point is what, dear students? Second point is B, 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma, this the triangle, this is formed with y-axis. Now we find the vertices of the triangle formed by these two lines with y-axis. So with y-axis, this is another point, and this is the base of the triangle AD. So the vertex of this is 0 minus 1. The required vertices of triangle, required triangle is what? This is point B, no? No. 3 2. Okay. Vertices are 0, 4, 0 minus 1 and 3 comma 2. So in this way you solve this type of questions. Now we find the area of, this is the required vertices of the required triangles. Now required area. Now area is what? 1 upon 2 base into height. So 1 upon 2 base is what? Base is what? Look. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into height is what? This is what? 3. This is what? 3. Okay. This is the height. This is height, na? So this is what? 3. So now 3. So 3. No. This is 2. 5 is the 15 upon 2 square unit. This is the required solution of the given question. So first of all, in that type of questions, dear student, first of all you draw the graph of the equation. First of all you draw the graph of the equations of line which is given in your questions. After that, if according to question you give your answer. In these questions we find are the coordinate of all vertices of the triangle, as well as we find the area of the triangle included between included with these two lines with the y-axis, okay. So this is in this way. So first of all we find the coordinate of all the vertices and find its area. Okay, so this is very important questions of your syllabus. So please just do more and more practices of all the questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus based on this topic. Let's see. We take a very important question based on same topic. The question is, draw the graph of the linear equations. Draw the graph of the linear equations. Graph of the linear equations. We draw the graph of the linear equations 4x minus 3y 4x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y 4x plus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0 minus 20 is equal to 0. Find the area bounded by these lines. Also find the area bounded by these line and x-axis. These lines and x-axis. Now look at the solution. First equation is given as 4x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. So from their relation we can write 3y is equal to 4x plus 4. So y is equal to 4x plus 4 upon 3. We take equation number 1 and from 2 we have 4x plus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0. So we get 3y is equal to minus 4x plus 20. So y is equal to minus 4x plus 20 upon 3. Take equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, first of all we get the required points which we plot on the graph paper. So look. So first of all we draw the chart in this way. This is x, this is y. Okay, now if we put x is equal to 2, if we put x is equal to 2, then y is equal to what? Y is equal to 8 plus 4 upon 3, 12 upon 3, 3 4 is 12. So we get y is equal to 4. Okay, now if we put x is equal to what? Minus 1. If we put x is equal to minus 1, so minus 4 plus 4 upon 3, so 0 upon 3, so we get 0. So in this way we get 2 points. Thus the required points A 2 4 and D minus 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0. Okay, dear students, this is the concept. We get similarly from there. Similarly, we find required points with the help of this equation. Let's see. This is x, this is y. Now, if we put x is equal to what? Minus 1. So y is equal to 4 1 plus 4 plus 20 upon 3. 24 upon 3, 3 8 is 24. So we get y is equal to 8. Okay. Now, if we put x is equal to 5, then we get y is equal to what? Let's see. Minus 4 5 is minus 20 plus 20 upon t means 0 upon 3, that is 0. So we get 0. So another point is 5 0. Thus the required points are, look, thus the required points are, as the required points are, for C is what, C as minus 1 comma 8 and B is what, 5 comma 0. Now in this way we get 4 coordinates, 2 from the help of the equation 1 and another 2 with the help of the equation 2. Let's see once more time. First of all, in this question, what I do in this question, we draw the graph of the linear equation in this and this on the same graph, because we find also the area included with them and with x-axis. Okay, with x-axis. So first of all, we express y in terms of x. After that, we choose any suitable value of x and find their corresponding value of y. This method is applied in both the equations, and in this way we find 2 points from the help of the equation first and another 2 points find with the help of the equation 2. Okay, dear students. Now look, we plot all these points on the same graph. Let's see. Now we draw the all points A, 2, 4, B minus 1, 0, C minus 8 and D 5, 0. D 5, 0 on the same graph. On the same graph. Let's see. Look. So for drawing the graph, first of all, we draw 2 mutual perpendicular lines as x and y axis. X and y axis. Let's see. Okay, this is y, this is point of intersection of both the axes. YO, y dash and XO, x dash. Now look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Here +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +8, +9. There this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -8. Now we draw all the points on the same graph. Look, 2, 4. Abscissa 2 and ordinate 4. So 2 and 4 here. So this is lie on this. So point A lies at that place. This is A, 2, 4. Now next point B is got -1, 0. -1, 0 lies on the x-axis only, no? -1. -1, 0 at that place. This is -1, 0. Now we draw the graph of, we join them, and this is the graph of, this is the graph of the equations of first line which is given 4x minus 3y 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the graph of this line. Okay. Now what I do? Now we draw the another one. Next is what? C minus 1 8 minus 1 comma 8. So minus 1. Look, minus 1 or comma 8. 8 is there. Here. The point C lies there. Minus 1 comma 8. Here. That point C. And D 5 0 on x axis here. This is 5 comma 0. Now D point. 5 0 is there. Now we join and produce. Okay, this is the graph of the second equation of line, which is given as 4x plus 3y minus 20. Okay, now what we find? Dear student, we find the area. We find the area with this line and with the x-axis. So first of all, we draw here. We draw perpendicular to that, and here A, this is B, and this is suppose that D. So here A, B, D is the required triangle. From figure, it is clear that A, B, D is required triangle. That is its area 1/2 into base into height. So 1/2 height is taken as 4 because this is the 4 now. This is height of this triangle is 4. But base is what? Look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Base is 6. So 6 into 4. So 2 to the 4, 6 to the 12. So 12 unit is the required solution of the given question. Means area of that triangle is 12 square. Let's see once more time, dear friends. Look here, this is 0.4. We find the area area of triangle included between these lines with the x-axis. So first of all, we draw the graph of each line. After drawing the graph of each lines, dear friends, we get a triangle ABD. And after, what is the process for finding that? We know that the formula area of triangle when its base and heights are given is what? 1/2 into base into height. 1/2 into base into height. Okay, so here, so 1/2 into base. Base is what? Distance never be taken as negative. One important thing is that here distance never be taken as negative. So we get, this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4, 5 and 6 unit. So base is 6 and height, perpendicular height is what? 4. So we know that 1/2 area of triangle 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base into height is 2. From there we simplify them. 2 to the 4 and 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12 unit. So in this way, this is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, dear students. So in this way, first of all, you do more and more practices of all the questions which we discussed in that class. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay. Now in next class, we take and solve some important questions, some other important question based on graph. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.